Thanks for being on time. You're responsible. Check it out. This is our play therapy schedule. And look, this is number 1. Does anybody know what number 1 says? You're right. Number 1 is us saying hello. Like, do you want to say hello with an elbow bump or with a silly voice? Yeah. So this is how this one works. We say hello with a silly voice. Watch me. Hello. Your turn.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, hi.
Good afternoon, Mayan. Good afternoon.
Later.
Yeah. Like, how are you feeling today?
Yeah.
You're feeling sad?
Yeah.
Well, did you know I have a song about feeling sad? If you're sad and you know it, get a hug. Mommy, can you give him a hug? Ugh. If you're sad and you know it, give a hug. 1, 2, 3. Everybody give mommy a hug. Are you ready to go on an adventure?
Yes.
We're going to a royal party.
Open it. A castle.
A castle. What is it?
A dragon.
Oh,
it's happy.
Here. Oh, he is happy. You noticed that. Okay, so we're going to take our dragon breaths. Can you breathe in? And we're going to breathe out our fire. Hello. Hello. Are you here for the friendship party? Yeah. Oh, do you guys want to find some treasure today? You do? Okay, let's get a boat. Check out our boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh no, what is it? It's a shark. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Do you see our treasure anywhere? Breathe and blow. Check it out. It's a ball pit. Jump. Yeah. Whoa. Now this time we're not going to jump until I say blue. So listen and wait till I say blue. Babies. Bonkers. Blue. Oh, look what I found. Yeah, it's a little boy. And how do you think he's feeling? The fish are sleeping. Shh, don't wake them up. We're going to whisper and go really slow so we don't wake them up, okay? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Betsy is going to help us decide what's nice or not nice. Breaking things. Is that nice or not nice? Yeah, that's not nice. Are you ready, Betsy, to eat this one up? Whoa. Woo. Thanks for not biting my fingers, Betsy. That would not be nice. And one more time, smell and blow. Nice job. You blew out all the candles in the birthday cake. Hey, do you want a bite? Let me grab a bite for you. Go. You want some too? I can share with my friends.
Candy, give me those.
Oh,
Give me
look
that.
at all the stuff. Oh. Whoa.
Wow.
That was good. You're right.
Heart, 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 heart.
That's a heart. Because this is our goodbye song. Count them with me. Grab your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9.
10,
Breathe in. Breathe out.
5,
Release.
3.
Relax. It all works out. Look, did we get us all of our checks?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it all. It says play therapy is all done. And now it's time for grown-ups to talk. Bye.